I'm going to experiment today with a sketch of Stonehenge using soluble ink and water brush. I've never used one before. This is completely unused, so I'm going to see what it's like. We'll have a play. So it's going to be just a black and white sketch. Let's start over on the left hand side here. The image is a bit low down, so I'm just going to bring it a bit closer to the centre. This is taken from this is a photograph I took a few years ago, back in around February time, I think it was. It looks like no one was there, but it was packed. Could barely get to see the stones. I think this was taken over the heads of other people. I've got a little wrong, but never mind. It's more of a test than anything, this. That's not what I wanted at all. I'm going to complete this as it is, as it's just an experiment, and see how it comes out, and then I'll probably do a separate sketch. Right, that'll do for the initial sketch, I think. Let's see what this does. Yeah, squeeze! Oop, there we go. Not what I was expecting at all. A big dollop on the page. I should have tested before, I guess. Alright, let's get rid of this water somehow. How does that go? That goes dark down there. Across there a bit. It's very dark over here. Perhaps need a bit more ink. I think once it starts flowing, it's not too bad. It's just that initial purge that you need to get right, and I didn't. Squeeze! Get out. There we go. These would be great for taking out and about. Not that I do much painting out and about, so I've got less than that excuse. It's actually quite difficult to judge how much water I'm. There we go. Put it onto the page. That's dry enough. I'm just going to put a bit more detail in. I'll leave it there. I'm not improving it, and I think it needs a lot of improvement, but it was a good test. So these are water brushes from Jackson's. I'll leave a link in the description. I think I'll stick with paintbrushes at the moment, a bit more manageable, but if you're out and about, I think these are probably quite good. I'll work with them a little bit more, but there we go. Thank you for watching.